Today, we will discuss NetBird and WireGuard. Both are made with a focus on security and employ powerful cryptographic techniques. In essence, NetBird makes use of WireGuard's robust core to offer a more accessible and controllable VPN experience. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. NetBird makes WireGuard network administration easier. Features including access control, centralized management, and simpler configuration are added. Its VPN protocol of choice is WireGuard, makes setting up WireGuard easier, offers a network management interface that is easy to use. WireGuard, a cutting-edge, incredibly quick and secure VPN protocol called WireGuard, it is renowned for its robust cryptographic performance and ease of use. This VPN protocol is incredibly effective and lightweight. It concentrates on essential VPN features, requires that network settings and keys be manually configured. It is incredibly safe and effective. All in all, both guarantee that network traffic is encrypted, shielding information from illegal access and eavesdropping. Both are examples of contemporary VPN technology which provides better security and performance than earlier VPN protocols. Both facilitate the development of peer to peer relationships.